After the recent upgrades to Stitch 2.0 and the new design.md export, creating amazing looking designs has been easier than ever before. In this video, I'm going to web design a stunning SaaS web app in Stitch and then code it into a fully working functional app using Claude Codes in minutes. So if you want to know the world's best, most lethal combination for UI UX design and AI development, make sure to watch this complete video till the end. Let's get started. So in this video, we are going to generate an AI powered proposal generator for freelance web developers so that they can write the proposals using AI for their website development project. Okay. In order to create the front end, the UI and UX, I am going to use Google Stitch. So let's go to Google Stitch website. And amazing, as we have our prompt ready over here already, I have created it using ChatGPT. You can do the same for any app you want to create yourself. Okay, I'm going to just copy this prompt and paste it here. And after that, I'm going to select the web version for the design and the model to Gemini 3 Flash. Okay, after that, simply hit enter and it will start creating our first prototype design. So let's wait for some time. As you can see, there has been lots of improvement into Google Stitch so that we can easily see the agent log over here and we can use the live mode to talk to AI as well. I have shown these functionalities in my previous video. So if you want to learn more about these kind of functionalities, then you can watch my previous video. I will put the link into the description. So first of all, it's creating a PRD, products requirements document for us. Okay, as you can see, this is pretty detailed and amazing. It has all the informations and all the functional requirements we need. After that, it has started creating a screen for us. So let's wait for it. Google Stitch is creating multiple screens for us. And amazing, Google Stitch has created amazing looking designs for us for our website development proposal writing software. Okay, in order to view it into the full screen, we can simply click on any screen and click on preview, click on new tab. After that, we will be able to see it on full screen on different devices on how it looks. Okay, I have optimized it for desktop version only, so let's keep it simple and let's view it on desktop. And this is how our app looks. Amazing, right? With just one single prompt. Okay, so we can simply connect these screens together and we can see the fully working prototype together as well. So let me show you how. Let me select all of these screens together. Okay, after that, just click on this play button and it will connect all the generated screens together and give me a fully working prototype so that I can see that how the app is going to work. Okay, so this is how our app is going to look and how it is going to work. Okay, so whenever someone will click on upgrade, it will show up this screen. Okay, and this is how it will look like. Okay, so amazing. So this is how you can create a fully working prototype for any app you have. Okay, so our designs are ready now. The next step would be to migrate these designs into Claude environment and create it into a fully working web app using these kind of design references. Okay, so in order to do that, once you will click on any design, any screen, then you will be able to see the design.md file. Click on this and here you will be able to see all the colors, all the fonts and everything has been used for these screens. And when you will click on design.md file, then you will be able to see the detailed description of the design metadata. Okay, so you can just simply copy these and you can export it into any Claude environment you want. So in order to code this web app, I'm going to use Claude AI with anti-gravity completely for free. Okay, I'm going to open the Google anti-gravity software and I will create a new folder over here. So let me create a new folder over here. Let me create proposal writer. After that, let's open it into our Google anti-gravity software. And amazing, we can create our design.md file over here. Okay, or there is one efficient way to export all the design data into Google anti-gravity is using MCP. So just click on three dots over here. After that, click on MCP servers and search for Stitch. okay, and click on it. I have already installed and enabled Google Stitch. For you, it will ask you to enable and ask you to put the API key required to connect these both softwares. Okay, so let me show you how can you get your API keys. You just need to click on your profile button and click on Stitch settings, and after that just scroll down and you will be able to create your keys from here. And after that simply copy your keys and go to Google Anti-Gravity, and once you will ask to enable the Stitch MCP, you can simply put your keys over there and done. You will be able to successfully connect your software. Okay, make sure all of the tools should be enabled over here, okay, so that those softwares can talk to each other efficiently. Okay, so our Stitch has been connected successfully. After connecting the Google Stitch to Anti-Gravity, you can simply ask to Anti-Gravity that do you have access to my Google Stitch account. Okay, let me simply ask it here. Let's hit enter, and great, I have got the success message that I have full access to your Stitch account. Okay, so you can verify it in this way. Okay, it has listed all my projects as well. Okay, so I can simply ask it to go to this project PitchCraft AI, which I just created in my Stitch account. So I can simply ask it to collect all the information like design.md and all the screen information, so that we can create a fully working app out of it. Okay, after that let's hit enter, and it will start collecting all the informations from my Google Stitch account. And great, we have got the success message that I have collected all the design information and compiled it into a comprehensive document, which we can see over here. Okay, so it has all the design elements, all the colors, text, fonts and everything else in this document. Okay, so it means the complete design, all the screens and everything has been successfully fetched from our Stitch account, and now we are ready to complete the website or web app into a fully working system. Okay, so in order to do that, first of all I will recommend you guys to install the Google Stitch skills. Okay, so let me show you what are these. You need to simply search for the Google Stitch skills, and you will find a file on GitHub repository over here. Okay, so these are the pre-built programs or pre-built instructions which helps Google Anti-Gravity to access the Stitch loop skills, which helps to generate multi-page websites or app from one single prompt. Okay, so in order to import this skill, you simply need to click on this code button and copy this URL and go to Anti-Gravity and simply give it a command that import this Stitch skill, and after that just paste this URL and hit enter. Okay, so there was some problem in fetching my Stitch skills, so it has reinstalled all 7 Stitch skills into my Google Anti-Gravity again. So this is how you can install these skills. Because we need Stitch loop skills to create multiple screen website or app using one single prompt. Okay, amazing. Let's create the fully working web app now. Okay, let me give a simple prompt over here that create a fully working web app out of this Stitch project. Okay, after that just hit enter, and now Claude will start writing all the codes for us. So let's wait. It will fetch all the screen, it will fetch everything else, the PRD and all the other information. It will start writing the code. So this is how you can use the Claude Code for free over here. If you want to use the paid versions, you can simply go to extensions over here and search the Claude Code over here. Okay, Claude Code for VS, simply click on it, and you can, it's by Anthropic, you can simply install it, and after that you can connect it over here into the terminal. Okay, over here. So this is how you can use the paid version of Claude Code. But for this project, I am going to use completely free version. Make sure you accept everything you see in between. Amazing guys. So Claude ran for a few minutes and it has given me the success message that our app is fully working and live at this URL. Okay, so let me open this in my browser, and here it is. The app is completely live. Okay, so this is the design prototype of our fully working app. Okay, here we can create the new pitch. When you will click on history, you will be able to see all the pitches created in the past by any user. Once you will click on the settings button, you can simply toggle it to dark mode or light mode. You can change the view, you can change the tone, company name, notification enabling, and usage alert. After that, we have option for API keys, in which user can add the API keys from Gemini, ChatGPT or any other AI model. Okay, we can modify this design or functionality however we want by just simply giving the simple prompts over here using Claude. Okay, so once you will click on upgrade plan button, you will able to see 3 plans available in our SaaS app. Okay, so amazing guys, the overall this app is looking completely identical to our Stitch project. Let me verify it. So this is our Stitch design we have created in our account. Okay, as you can see, this is looking completely identical. Okay, so this is the Stitch design and this is the fully working app. Okay, so this workflow is completely insane guys, because we have almost created the completely similar app using this workflow. Okay, we can check on the history screen as well. This is completely identical. All the fonts, colors, look and feel and layout are looking completely same. Okay, which is an amazing thing guys. Okay, so it means the new enhancement of Stitch creating .md file is working amazingly and it is giving the insane results with anti-gravity and Claude. Let me show you the functionality of the app and how can you create a proposal out of it. Okay, let me put the client name as ER Suraj Verma. Okay, after that we can simply select the budget range, and after that let's select the project type to SaaS platform and the timeline to 2 to 4 weeks and tone selector to friendly. After that just simply click on generate pitch and it will generate the a complete pitch under the client name, okay, with the heading SaaS platform which we had selected during our form submission. Okay, so this is amazing guys, and we can create it into a fully working web app using anti-gravity and Claude by just adding a few API keys and it will work completely fine. So this is how you can create amazing looking designs using Google Stitch and Claude AI with the anti-gravity IDE. So I hope you have liked this video so far. If you have liked it, then make sure to comment on this video, like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also know the complete workflow of creating insane looking apps using simple prompts. Okay, I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.